as you can see, there's a lot of gross stuff on this floor. I'm gonna pick up these long pieces of hair. I haven't swept or mopped the whole weekend, and it's Sunday now. So it's time to really give this floor a deep cleaning before the week starts. But there's a dead fly. It's nasty, sorry. But it's reality. It's summertime, flies get in the house and we swat them down and can't find them to pick them up. Or the cat tries to eat them. It's gross. Anyways, you see all this nastiness. We're gonna see how well the Roomba works. I'm gonna go ahead and start it. I think this is supposed to be like a virtual wall, my husband said. So it should stop the Roomba from coming on the carpet, because I really don't want it to go on the carpet. I want it to concentrate on the tile floor. And I'm wondering if I should move that bench. That bench, I did move all the stools and the dining room chairs onto the carpet, but we'll see. I want to see how this thing works. Whew, wish me luck. I'll plant it this way for now. Let's go get the Roomba. Oh, there it is. See it? See it right there? I'm gonna get it off the dock. I guess maybe I have to take it off the dock. Okay. Oh, stop. No, 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 no. I guess this doesn't. Oh, maybe it goes this way. See, there's like an arrow there. See that arrow? I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I need to put it that way, because the Roomba is definitely off course. so this is the side of the floor that the Roomba seemed to want to focus on. And I see dirt still here. Some of it's stuck on, so I can understand how it wouldn't get that, because when I vacuum, I usually will like scrape it off and then vacuum, you know, just normal. But look at this. This is all loose stuff here. And I mean, the Roomba went over this area at least 5 times and it's still dirty. But it's not as dirty as it was. Is it worth it? I'm totally not sure yet. I only paid 20 bucks for it. See, here's more. Well, yeah, that's the first pile I see. So, let's see. It did pick up this mess over here. Here it comes. Let's see if it passes that barrier. No, stop. Okay, so remember I shook out a rug here. The Roomba has been over here several times, and it still has some loose dirt here. What? Yep, put it back, honey. Look at it. So, I mean, it's fun to look at and to watch, haphazardly or worse than my children can. My son Taylor, who's 4, right here, he can actually vacuum better than the Roomba. Yes, you can. I mean, I guess I could leave it going for a couple hours and maybe it'll die, or I don't know. Let's see. But there's still quite a few spots on the floor with junk. But like I said, some of it is stuck on, so I won't give it a total thumbs down just yet. So, the conclusion is, the Roomba may not be for our family, but I got it for pretty cheap. It's cool. Maybe I'll use it in the bathrooms, like shut the doors and just let it go on its own, because who likes to sweep and vacuum bathrooms? Not me. My son, who's 4, does do a better job than the Roomba. Maybe there's an upgrade. Maybe you have a better one. Maybe you can comment below and let me know if I'm doing something wrong, or if you've had better luck with yours. Let me know. I just think it's cool. I bought it for $20. I appreciate Aaron for that. But yeah, my review is kind of like a thumbs in the middle, I would say, because it does pick up stuff, but not in a timely manner and not the way I like things done. So I'll show you my clean kitchen now after I've cleaned it all. The countertops are cleaned off. Dishes are done. The stove is clean. Oh, something fell in it. Look at that. Microwave wiped down. The refrigerator is wiped down. No fingerprints. And the kitchen island is wiped down. And my poor little fruit bowl is empty. It's Sunday. We're going grocery shopping today. Hopefully when we get back it'll be filled. I'll show you that later. But yeah. And there's my cat enjoying the view from the buffet table. So, anyway, enjoy your Sunday. I hope this helped, and if you have any questions, let me know. Subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. I'll keep trying to put videos out that you like, or you know, that could be helpful to somebody out there. So bye-bye. Take care. See you later. Oh, my little 4-year-old Taylor wants to say bye. Bye. Tell them to subscribe to our channel. Bye.